Hey guys, it's John here, and here is a question I get asked pretty much all the time. I am a Forex trading beginner and I want to make at least $200 to $300 a day. Please teach me how. You know, this is actually a very common question I receive from new traders. But in this video, I'm going to explain to you why that is completely the wrong question to ask, why that question actually stops you from becoming a profitable trader, and most importantly, the right question you should be asking yourself instead, if you really want to make good money from Forex trading. You see, the truth is this. So many people who want to get into Forex trading have been misled by false advertising scammers and so-called experts. I mean, you can just search on YouTube and you will see tons of videos claiming to teach you how to make $100 a day, even $1,000 a day, or whatever amount. That's why many new traders have come to develop the wrong view of Forex trading. And perhaps you yourself have also come to think of Forex trading as some kind of activity where you can expect to make a certain amount of money per day. For example, $100, $200, $500 per day consistently with Forex trading. But guess what? It does not work like that. Making a certain amount of dollars per day, you know what that is called? I can tell you it's not called Forex trading. That is what you call a day job. And the surprising thing is, it isn't just newbies who got this wrong idea. There are so many Forex traders who, even after trading for years and years, they still think that they need to be trading every other day. But unfortunately for these traders, it is precisely this wrong mindset that is sabotaging their success. And as long as they continue trading with this mindset, they are doomed to fail. Okay, why is this so? The answer is very simple. You see, the nature of Forex trading is kind of like the weather. There are times when the market is slow like a dry spell, and therefore there are no good opportunities to profit. So in such market conditions, what do? That's right. Smart traders will stay out of the market, and that can mean not making any money for days or even weeks, which is completely fine. On the other hand, there are times when the market is moving fast and it is raining opportunities, and this actually gives you plenty of ways to profit. So you must understand that is how Forex trading is. There are slow times when you really should be just sitting on your hands doing nothing, or taking your dog for a walk, or going on a holiday, whatever you wish to do. And then there are exciting times when you should be trading because the market is full of fantastic opportunities. So this brings us back to the main point of this video about why it is completely foolish, completely nonsense to expect to make a certain amount of dollars per day. It's simply because Forex trading just doesn't work that way. In fact, here's a wonderful quote by Jesse Livermore where he basically says the same thing. The desire for constant action, irrespective of underlying conditions, is responsible for many losses in Wall Street, even among the professionals, who feel that they must take home some money every day as though they were working for regular wages. So what does this mean? It is very simple. You as a Forex trader should never be thinking of yourself as working a daily salary. If you are still thinking, how do I make X amount of dollars per day? Then please stop. Erase this question from your mind immediately. Drop this question from your mind once and for all, or else this foolish question will only destroy you as a trader. Instead, the right question you should be asking yourself is this. Is there an absolutely fantastic opportunity in the market right now? If the answer is yes, then happily go for it. But if you do not see an easy trading opportunity, then no problem, just relax, stay out of the market. You can always wait for a much better opportunity to come by. It's really as simple as that. There is no need to rush, no need to get impulsive, and don't ever stress yourself by thinking, how do I make $100, $200 or $500 per day? Because if you do that, then let me tell you, my friend, you are finished, game over, okay? So this is how you can become a smart and patient trader who seizes opportunities only when they appear, instead of being a reckless trader who is trying so hard to find opportunities in the market when none exist. Okay? So that's it for today's lesson. If you want to achieve any kind of success at all in Forex trading, please do yourself a favor and get this mindset down before you learn anything else. then I guarantee you will find Forex trading so much more enjoyable and profitable. Otherwise, you're just going to end up like most other Forex traders out there who spend years learning all the trading techniques and strategies and methods and systems and Fibonacci and Elliott wave patterns and the whole kitchen sink. And in the end, they still wonder why they are not making any progress at all. Okay, so I hope you have learned a very fundamental but extremely important lesson from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.